Are you tired of seeing your valuable warehouse space filled with dusty, unused parts? Do you cringe at how much cash is tied up in excess inventory? If you're ready to break free from inventory overload and optimize your operation, well, keep watching. I'm Nate England, and I'm the CEO of Skylink. As someone who's been in the aircraft maintenance business for decades, I know firsthand how frustrating and costly excess inventory can be. But here's the good news. There are proven strategies you can use to optimize your stock levels and free up that precious capital for more important projects. And you know what projects I'm talking about. Well, in this video, we'll dive into 5 actionable tips to help you get your inventory under control. But first, let's talk about the real cost of carrying excess inventory. It's not just about the space it takes up in your warehouse. Studies show the annual carrying cost can be as high as 30% of the inventory's value. Think about that. 30%. That means for every $1 million in excess stock, you could be losing up to $300,000 per year. Man, that is painful. And that's not all. Excess inventory also makes it harder to adapt quickly when demand changes. So what's causing this inventory bloat? Well, first, it's poor demand forecasting, which is often the biggest culprit. Many maintenance teams still rely on gut feelings and manual processes to predict parts needs, leading to over-ordering. Lack of visibility across multiple systems is another, and it makes it hard to know what you have and need, resulting in duplicate orders and overstocking. So what is the key to breaking free from excess inventory? Well, put data at the heart of your purchasing and material analysis decisions. You can generate accurate demand forecasts and optimize stock levels by leveraging historical usage data and predictive analytics. We are now in a time and age, no matter your fleet, that we can use these tools. It starts with gathering and cleansing inventory data from across your organization, then using advanced tools to identify trends, set dynamic reorder points, and simulate different scenarios. But the data and the analytics is only as good as the information that you're putting into it. So if things are a little bit sloppy and chaotic and messy, it gets really hard to get accurate forecasts. So the first thing you need to do is clean the house. And that is a big task, but it will pay dividends over the long run. The right software can then automate this process and help you balance part availability and costs once your information is clean and accurate. In addition to data-driven techniques, lean inventory strategies can absolutely work wonders. So first is just-in-time management. It was popularized by Toyota, which involves closely syncing purchasing with consumption to minimize stock on hand. Another is consignment inventory, where the supplier owns the parts until you use them. And it's another smart option for high-value, low-volatility items. And with vendor-managed inventory, you can outsource replenishment entirely to your supplier based on agreed targets. So if you have an annual need for a 500 expendables, they can deliver those on demand and take care of those inventory material for you. But the key is finding the right mix of strategies for your unique operation. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I get it. This all sounds great in theory, but does it actually work? Well, yes, it does. So let me tell you about an airline that somebody helped. They were drowning in millions and millions of dollars of excess inventory. But within 18 months of implementing the strategies we've discussed, they reduced their excess stock by 33%. And by investing in better forecasting tools, consigning their excess stock, and collaborating with key suppliers, and aligning purchasing with maintenance, they freed up millions and millions of dollars of working capital. It was huge for them. It was transformative. But they not just got the capital back, but they created a leaner, more efficient operation. They slashed the annual carrying cost. They improved their partnership. So if they can do it, so can you. So where do you specifically start? Well, follow these 5 steps to optimize your inventory. Step 1 is conduct a thorough inventory audit to identify excess and obsolescence. Step 2 is invest in data management and analytics to improve demand forecasting. Step 3, set dynamic reorder points and safety stock levels based on real-time usage data. And step 4, explore just-in-time consignment and vendor-managed inventory arrangements with your trusted material partners. And step 5, implement regular inventory reviews and continuous improvement processes. That is huge. You don't want to stay stale. You always want to be continually improving.
Remember, optimization is a journey. Celebrate your successes, learn from your missteps, and keep pushing forward. Excess inventory may be a common challenge in aircraft maintenance, but it doesn't have to drain your budget. By leveraging data, lean strategies, and supplier collaboration, you can break free from the overstock trap and invest in what matters most, keeping your aircraft safe, and operational. If you're ready to optimize your inventory but still unsure where to start, Skylink is here to help. So we've been doing this for over 36 years. We offer advanced analytics tools and flexible inventory solutions and a 24/7, 365 dedicated account team to help you succeed. And we will help you reduce waste, free up cash, and boost your bottom line. And on some weeks, maybe even help you improve your sanity. So visit SkylinkIntl.com for more. The link is in the description. And you can learn more and schedule your free inventory consultation. We are more than happy to help serve you. So let's work together to keep your maintenance operation lean, agile, and ready for takeoff.